I'm just going to pour my Cooper's Australian Pale Ale. It's been in the bottle for about 3 weeks, so let's crack open the bottle and see how it looks and tastes. Okay, let's pour it in. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of carbonation going on there. It's got a bit of a head. It's only 3 weeks old, so I'm hoping that head will develop over time. It's got a nice sort of amber brown sort of colour to it. Yep, looks pretty good. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, very nice. It's got a nice sort of malty flavour to it, even after 3 weeks. Yeah, very nice flavour actually. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'll test it again in another week or two, and we'll see how that comes out. Okay, hope you enjoyed that and got a bit of a look at how the beer's turning out. Okay, cheers.